Thank you. Habol lang dito yung ako na last part kasi hanggang 5 o'clock tayo. So it's maybe 5 minutes lang. But anyway, nice meeting po sa ating lahat. Okay, so amin nag-members, thank you for coming. Although basit tayo, that's why makantsawan na dito because I'm from Baguio. I just arrived from yesterday. I came from Laguna. Daming tao. Puno-puno. Hundreds. Just the other day, we came from Cavite. Ganun din. Volume din tao. But pagdating dito sa aking lugar, ilan tayo? Ilang piraso lang. So, sabi ko, kakantsawan ko yung sarili ko. Anyway, ganito. It's a lot of stories niya na nangyari. What's important is at kami kakailan, I started this business here in Baguio City with the initiative, with the objective of providing good health. Okay naman. So very good po yung ating good health na program. Ay, by the way, sino ti admin maintenance? Kada kayo, adaptive